Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the TikTok community guidelines violation problem in 2025. First of all, open the TikTok app on your phone and go to your profile. Then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then go into settings and privacy. From there, scroll down and tap on report a problem under support and about. Now in the search bar, type community guidelines and select community guidelines violation or account restrictions. Here, TikTok will explain why your content was flagged or removed. Read through it carefully to understand what caused the violation. If you believe the removal was a mistake, scroll down and tap on appeal. You will need to describe clearly why you think your content didn't break any of the TikTok's rules. Try to be polite and specific. This helps the review team understand your case better. After submitting the appeal, TikTok will review your request, which may take up to a few days. You will receive a notification once the decision is made. And that's all. That's how you can fix or appeal a TikTok community guidelines violation in 2025.